Despite all the political noise, our advantages are extraordinary. We're this continental-sized power. We produce more energy than any other country in the world. We have hubs of innovation, Route 128 around Boston, Silicon Valley, Austin, Texas, Miami, Florida is emerging as a top innovation hub. We have abundant fresh water, arable land, so many advantages, including massive oceans on both sides of us, benign neighbors to north and south. And we're a democracy. And again, for all the political back and forth, democracy is the right answer.